Hi, I'm Emily with Style Mi Casa. Today I'm gonna attempt to take my $9 Hobby Lobby vase and turn it into a replica of these vases that cost $200 to $500 on places like Etsy, Amazon, and Restoration Hardware. So follow along. Please comment below, let me know how you like my version. And of course, if you love home decor, then like and subscribe to my channel. Here is the vessel the way that it started. Although beautiful, the blue does not match my decor. So I'm gonna add handles, paint it, and age it. So the very first step is using air dry clay, which I have here with me. I'm just removing the vessel from my little Lazy Susan, which I love to use when I'm spinning pieces around. It just makes it really convenient. And I'm gonna cut two shapes. These are gonna be my handles. I will link below the air dry clay that I use, but I'm trying to I'm not measuring, I'm really just kind of cutting two that are similar in size. Now that I have my handles cut, I'm gonna put my vessel back on my thrifted Lazy Susan, and I'm gonna give you a better view, hopefully, of what I'm doing. So I'm not being really scientific about this. I'm really just getting the air dry clay attached and curved around the mouth of the vessel to start with here. So here's a quick update. I have the handles drying about 12 hours, and I did get a crack in this one here, so I just went ahead and added more clay to patch that crack. Now, a friend of mine told me that if I did the first coat of primer and texture and then attach the handles, that they would stick a little bit better. So I will do that next time. I have tried priming first with handles and didn't get any better results than this, but maybe that texture is kind of the key. Either way, I'm gonna let these dry for another 12 hours, and then I can do sanding if I'd like, or I can just go straight over it with my textured paint.